Asa dudes, my name is Moshi and today we're just going to talk about a product that I purchased. So what I got is the Aputure lantern. Let's open this up and see what it's all about. So this is how it looks assembled. It's supposed to be really easy to assemble. It took me a while. I didn't read the manual.
Just read the manuals, read the book. Manuals. Read the book. Manual.
You just got to press it down and put it onto the hooks. I was trying to press it down and twist it. That's not how you do it. You got to hook it. But let's test this out and see how it looks. And this is how the lantern looks. It's just by itself. We have it on Aputure 120D Mark I. We have our main light, the land light Forza 300 off, and we have the 60 Forza off, our hair light. And then the two lights back there, which were the orange and the blue, those are off too. So this is just a lantern by itself. It did come with a skirt, so we're gonna put that on and see how that looks. This is the skirt. And this is how it looks with the skirt on. Obviously it's not supposed to look like this. You're not supposed to get this hanging into the shot. Our ceilings aren't that high, so the C-stand can go only so high, and right now it's touching the roof. With the higher ceilings, it's supposed to go up more and you won't get the shot, and the purpose of having the skirt is so that the light is focused and narrowed into one spot. So there you have it, there's the lantern. Two reasons I got it. First one being the price point. It's $89 on B&H and Aldorama, I believe too, so great price point. Second reason was because the Aputure Light Dome 2 has been back ordered since May. I ordered it in May. Each month it's been saying that it'll come the following month, never did. So I just canceled it, ended up borrowing my friend's light dome. We're just switching back and forth. But if you're a beginner, the lantern is definitely a great price point. You can have it as a hair light or you can have it as your main key light. So that's gonna conclude this video. Thank you guys for watching. We're just gonna keep it short and sweet. Peace.